Have we as a society completely lost the plot on how much we want to spend on a gaming mouse? I don't know, yet I transferred $179 to Logitech to get this, let's say, hyped mouse. In this video we're gonna unbox it, I'm gonna jump right into the game and check if there's actually a difference, so let's go! This is how it sounds. There is no sound at all. Isn't that just crazy? I mean, I'm tempted to switch to this mouse just because of the sound. But yeah, let's calm down here. This is not a full review by any means. This is just my first impression, but if this mouse is what it's supposed to be, I should feel a difference. So next we're gonna jump right into Overwatch and see if there's actually a difference. Yep, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. I can tell you right away, I feel the difference. Holding the key is effortless. Let's say effortless. And the amount of force I need to shoot. Wow, and the feedback. I like the feedback. You feel it in the whole hand. Your whole hand will notice the click. It's not just a fingertip, like on a regular mouse. Yep, that feels insanely good. It feels like you don't need force. It's like tapping. It's not clicking, it's tapping. You can tap. Let me just get the old mouse. It's just beside it. I think, yeah, it's connected. The old mouse, now I'm on the old mouse and I'm gonna tap. Yep, it's switching to the new one, just tapping. I just tap. Yep. Every time I tap, there's a shot coming out of the gun. Compared to the old one. Yep, sometimes I'm tapping on it and I try to adjust the force. The bullet is not coming out of the gun. I'm not shooting. Okay. That's crazy. I was not expecting that. I was expecting to feel something different, but not in a way that it feels faster. But it feels faster and it also feels way more responsive. Like if I, especially when I'm moving, man, when I move and I just tap, it's crazy. Okay. I think that's enough for the first impression. Let's go back to the video. After testing it, I have to say there is a difference. There is a difference. Boy oh boy. And if you liked the video so far, just drop a follow and give me a like. Really appreciate that. I spent my own money on that. It was a lot. There is a full review upcoming. Don't worry about that, I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna test it scientifically because I want to be sure. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video as always. I'm Pagi and I see you in the full review. Bye.